Hey, what's up guys? Emmanuel here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do your cabin air filter change in a Toyota Highlander. Okay guys, so let's get to it. Alrighty. This is the Highlander right here. Okay guys. You might have to sit in the passenger seat in order to get this taken care of. Alrighty guys, and make sure you got the vehicle off. Alright, so we're gonna turn it off. Alright, you don't want to get any code or any message, so make sure the vehicle is off. So once the vehicle is off, we're gonna open the glove box. That's where we're gonna find out. Sorry guys, I have the mosquito trying to take some out of me. So we're gonna remove everything out of the glove box here. Make sure you take everything out of the glove box. And alrighty. Once you get it, oh, I got a knife here. That's cool. Once you get it out, guys, you see on the side of the glove box here. Alright, I hope you guys see what's going on here. Alright, let's get it in this way. What's gonna happen here, guys, is I'm gonna hold the glove box with my left hand and my right hand at the same time and squeeze it in. So I hope you guys see what I'm gonna be doing here. Bear with me here. Let me adjust the camera a little quick. Alrighty. So that's my right hand and my left hand. I'm gonna press together and squeeze it in and let that down. So the entire glove box is gonna come wide open. As you see there, that's pretty easy. Very, very, very easy. You can even take this out and go clean it up and come put it back here. So when you look here, let's see if we can take the whole thing out of the way. Alrighty. When you look in here, guys, you're gonna see that black, that thing right there. That would be your air filter thing right there. Then we're gonna pull that down. Alrighty. Once we pull that down, you're gonna see. Let me open this door a little quick. You're gonna see here. You see that little button right there. You're gonna press it in and pull it out. Then you do one on the other side. Press it in and pull it out. All right. Once you pull it out, and you gotta remember how your existing air filter placing. As you see the arrow say up. So when you put it in the new filter, make sure it's facing just like that. That's where the airflow is. So make sure it's facing that. So we're gonna take the old filter out. All right, pull it out. Let's check the old filter. It's pretty dirty, as you can see. If you want to see it for yourself, yeah, go through some camera adjustment real quick, so you guys can see what's going on here. Look at that. That's pretty dirty. All right. So if the filter wasn't there, all these things gonna be going in your face and all that. All right. So remember, the arrow is gonna be facing up. All right. So now we have the brand new filter. If you like, I could put the link for this filter in the description, because it's a pretty good filter and it's very cheap. I think it's like $8 a piece. So you see right here, this is the arrow. So we're going to have the arrow facing up, just like we took the other one out. All right, guys. So we're going to put it in just like that. Alrighty. How easy was that, guys? You see there, the arrow facing up. How easy was that? So once you're done, you see this kind of a little dirty because all the pollen and dust and all that. So we're gonna just knock it out, and this is gonna go just like that. You see the up arrow, it need to be facing up. I hope you guys see that. So we're gonna put it right there. It's one of the easier things to do on a vehicle. It's like air filter change, cabin air filter change. Very easy. But when you go to the dealer shop, they charge you a lot of money for this. So you want to be able to do it on your own and save some money, all right? Because this filter right here, it's like $8 on Amazon, and I'm going to post a link right in the video. So make sure you check the description and be able to buy it for yourself, because it's a really good filter. Then we're going to press this right back in. Make sure it's locked in place. All right, it's locked in place. So what we're going to do now is reinstall the glove compartment. We're going to reinstall that. Alrighty. So as you see here, you look at that, you see that, we're going to clip it right into there. All right, we're going to clip it right into there. So remember, just like that, you're going to do it from down here. All right, I hope you guys see that, and pretty much push it in. And that's it. That's it, guys. Your glove compartment is already reinstalled. And now we're gonna put back everything that we took from this back into the glove compartment. Alrighty, air filter change is done, guys. All right, pretty much that's it. Now we done, and we're gonna close this, take this old one and trash it out, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna actually show you guys a little bit of what are the dirt we get for in this filter. As you can see here, you guys see all the dirt. All right, and if we don't have a filter in there, we're gonna be sucking in all the crazy dust right there. So you don't want, this is allergy right there. All right, I don't even know why I'm messing with them. All right, so guys, that's how you change the cabin air filter for the Toyota Highlander. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel. I am also gonna change the cabin filter for my Honda Accord, you see right there, and I will post the videos on this channel as well, guys. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe, my friend.